jump starting a car. So just think about it, right? Car's been sitting for about a month and a half, and you want to get out of your house. Kids driving nuts. Go to your car, go start it, get the battery. Obviously, first steps, pop the hood. You're gonna need another car for this, so. We just want to make sure we get the line open. So, your car's not started, you got a dead battery. What do? You got to jump start your car. So, a couple things you're going to need. A, jump cables. These are commercial ones. You can get these at your local, pretty much anywhere. Auto parts shop or whatnot. And what you want to do is you got to have a donor car, right? Because you need electricity. We have this trusty truck here. This car never dies. Rookie's truck. Again, you're going to want to find the safety lever. They all have the safety latch. Got to feel around for it. Lift it up. Okay. So what we're trying to do is take this electricity and share it to this one, because this battery's dead. So once we get the car started, this, which is called the alternator, will charge up the battery. You're going to want to lay out your cables so that the positive and negatives are not touching. If you hook up one side or one battery and you have a positive, negative, and you put them together, you're gonna get sparks. Not good. Red's always positive, so you can see you got the plus here, the positive side here. I always like to hook up the positive first. That way, if there's any electricity or whatnot, it gets grounded out when you hook up the negative. So you go one positive, one negative. Again, make sure you don't put these two together. Get sparks. We're going to find the positives and negatives over here. So, got the positive, goes in, that, negative. The problem is, because the car's not running, you only have 12 volts, right? Car running, you're going to have 14 volts. And what we're actually doing is setting it up to use the alternator to actually charge this battery on the dead car. If everything's clear, you're good to go. Start the car up. I always like to give it about 30 seconds to a minute just to make sure everything's charging. Well, it's been about a minute now. Let's go in and see if we can get this car started. Success. So now that we got this car started, we got to take the battery cables off. Same way, you don't want to touch them together, okay? One off, off. I always put them on the ground, move them far enough apart. Here, there. We're disconnected. We are good to go. What to do, especially if your car's a dead battery, make sure your car runs for a bit. Also, you're going to want to get it checked. You want to get that battery checked. Even though the battery was dead and now you're starting it, you jump started it, you could still have a bad battery. What kills batteries a lot is when they run out of electricity, the cells inside the batteries go bad. So what I would recommend is call your local shop, call us, just get it in so we can test the battery, make sure you're good to go. But that should take care of the issue. Take care of how to start the car. If you got any questions, give us a call. We're here to help. And stay safe.